Hi, this is Scott Brown with a PTEN review of some of the professional grade electrical terminal service tools by Tool-Aid. Now for the popular WeatherPack terminals, we have the 18850 kit that includes a ratcheting crimper with two quick change dies covering sizes 12 to 22 gauge. And these also contain the round seal crimp for proper crimping. Now, my favorite here is the 18980 that features 9 quick change dies that cover a wide variety of terminal types, including WeatherPack, but without the round seal crimp, insulated and non-insulated terminals, some coax, and it even includes a spark plug wire stripper and terminal crimper. Now, this is definitely a pro-level grade tool and provides the leverage to achieve a proper crimp and goes a long ways to make the job a lot easier. Now, over here we have the 18700 Master Terminal Service Kit. Now this toolkit features 11 quality electrical terminal service tools in a nice storage case. On the heavy duty side, using Deutsch connectors, we have 3 really nice closed barrel crimpers covering wire sizes from 12 all the way down to 24 gauge. Now these tools make for crimping those closed barrel terminals clean and easy. And I've used these to build out accessory harnesses and connectors for vehicle add-ons and more. The kit also comes with 2 open barrel crimpers. One is for the Deutsch open barrel style terminals, and both the open and closed barrel crimpers work with the Deutsch compatible Amphenol AT and AHD series terminals. The other open barrel terminal is for the WeatherPack and MetroPack open barrel terminals, which include the proper round seal crimp. And the kit also has a number of terminal release tools. Now finally, a good crimp can only occur with a nicely stripped wire, and this is where the Tool-Aid 19000 does an awesome job. Now I have several wire strippers, and this one really works well. Setting the wire stop to about 7 millimeter produces a proper length conductor ready for proper termination on 14 to 16 gauge wire. Now, when it comes to wiring services, I always strive for clean and proper termination for long-lasting repair, and these tools can definitely help achieve those goals. Now, Tool-Aid also provides a number of other electrical style termination tools, including heavy-duty gauge wiring for battery cables. Now, check for a link to their website in the description, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.